Hello, my name is Ben with NeverOut WMS, and this is going to be a brief overview of the benefits that you can get from using the NeverOut warehouse management system. So what we're looking at here to start is that it is a fully hosted web-based system. It's available with APIs and all the things that you might imagine that make writing interfaces to other systems and even true integrations to other systems much easier than they used to be. So we are fully hosted. You don't have to worry about backups or support or any of that. That is all included with your monthly user license fee. So we can look here at the full screen view here. We are going to open location files. We are going to keep your warehouse nice and organized. Of course, you can set up as many locations as you like. You can organize those into zones. And then we have and do support putaway schemes, which will help users put items in home slots, keep like items together, find empty space, so on and so forth. In the item file, we'll see here that on an item-by-item basis, you can set things like, do I want to obey FIFO? I can set different put-away schemes. I can set replenishment points and replenishment to points that feed reports in the system. I can collect lot numbers. There are many different things you can do, very flexible system that supports a wide variety of goods. All of the mobile transactions are available here in the full screen, but of course this is a real-time tool that is meant to be used by the people out on the floor doing the work. Barcode scanning is central to the NeverOut warehouse management system. So we're going to look here at the mobile menu. So of course we can do things like load purchase orders into the system. NeverOut has a full order management system in terms of supporting purchase orders, sales orders, and even work orders. But we can input purchase orders into the system. We can receive against those purchase orders in order to validate and catch errors right at the dock door the moment it comes into your purview. And then we can load on the outbound side sales orders, and we can pick against those sales orders, which gives us a great degree of accuracy in terms of knowing exactly what location we picked goods from, against what order, who picked it, when they picked it, did they scan the right item, did they pick it from the right location, did they pick FIFO, all of that completely system guided. And really adding a couple barcode scans adds so much benefit both up and downstream. So we can load orders in the system. We have a full range of data imports that you can use to get inbound and orders into the system. And I'd mentioned earlier the just general ability to interface with your order-to-cash system or your purchasing, your accounting systems, things like QuickBooks and beyond. And then the last thing we'll touch on here are the reports, getting data out of the system. And we have over a dozen built-in reports in the system, including a full audit trail, a transaction history report that will show you everything that you've done in the system for any date range and all the filters that you would care to have. So now we have a full audit trail, everything that happened. I'll also mention that just about everything in the system we try to make exportable onto a grid. Everything you'll see here, tools to export to Excel and CVS, and just about every place that data exists. We want to make it easy to work with the system, easy to get data in and out of the system. And then so the final point I'll leave you with then is our support. We have a very fast turnaround on help tickets and support tickets, and you will get a dedicated sales rep when you sign up with NeverOut, and they are always a phone call or an email away as well. So really from soup to nuts, whether you're looking to do more basic non-order based, what we call non-PO receipts and non-SO picks, we can support that. And then all the way up to receiving against purchase orders, recording moves, cycle counting within the system, all of that data being updated in real time, able to make real-time decisions from that, and of course then feeding in real time your other systems in order to really help the business as a whole. So I promise to keep this short, that I will leave you with that. But as always, if you ever have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your NeverOut support rep or Diversified Data in general, and we will be happy to help. Thanks much.